Hi everyone, my name is Shana from WTI, and before I head out on a hike, I want to let you know about this baseball cap. This is the beautiful tan colored satin baseball cap from Eleyae. Before, I was never really a baseball cap wearing kind of gal, but with this being satin lined, I love it. I love throwing it on lazy hair days, good days, bad hair days, at the gym, or even on the go. The satin really helps to keep my hair moisturized, frizz-free, and damage-free. Satin doesn't absorb oil, your natural hair oil, like cotton does. So your hair does stay moisturized and there's no friction from the satin. So again, no frizz, no damage. And there's an adjustable strap that clips in, and there's an area that secures the strap in place. And I really love that there's a sweatband for those active days to keep the sweat from dripping down. So satin really is the best kept secret to shiny, frizz-free, beautiful hair. But hey, that's just my point of view.